How to download WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can download WhatsApp status. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So for example, let me just go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on my phone. If I go to the status section, you can see these two statuses. So let's say that if I wanted to actually download it, even if I tap on it and then tap on the three dots, you can see that we don't have any of the options to download that particular WhatsApp status, or else this one as well. We don't have the option to download any of this WhatsApp status. So what can we do in order to download WhatsApp status? The very first thing you want to do is you need to simply download an app. So go ahead and open your Play Store, and in the search box you want to simply type in WhatsApp status saver. As you type in WhatsApp status saver, what you have to do is you have to download this application by Sri Ganesha Labs or Status Saver Video Download. So basically you could go ahead and download any of those. It doesn't necessarily need to be this one. So just because I download this doesn't mean you have to download the similar app as well. But I'm simply going to use this one for reference, and I'm going to go ahead and simply open it. Once you open that particular app right over here, you have to allow all of the permissions whichever the app requires. So it may ask you for some permissions. Go ahead and simply allow the permissions. It may also load you with some ads. You have to simply deal with the ads since this is a free version and a free app. So you could go ahead and simply tap on OK, and then you have to allow all of the permissions. So go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on use this folder and so on. Once you've done that, automatically you don't even have to do anything. This app is going to scan your WhatsApp account and to load you a list of WhatsApp statuses. So you can see an image WhatsApp status as well as a video WhatsApp status. If you want to download a video WhatsApp status, you could simply tap on it and then tap on the download button at the bottom of the screen. And as soon as you do that, you have to allow the storage permissions. You can see it says image or video saved in downloads. So let me go ahead and show you whether it has been saved or not. If I go ahead and simply show you, you will be able to see that we have successfully downloaded that particular WhatsApp status. And this is the way on how you could very easily download WhatsApp status in 2022. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.